Hey friends, hope you're doing great. My name is Fardeen Khan and I've recently shifted into this new space where I'll be setting up my new studio. I've got this robot vacuum mop from Xiaomi to take care of the cleaning in here. It cost me about 9,000 rupees, which is roughly $100 and it's a complete bang for buck given the value I'm getting for this price. So let's unbox this guy and see how well it performs in cleaning my new studio.
This is a 2-in-1 vacuum and mop robot. It not only sucks up dust but also mops the floor simultaneously. Here's what you get in the box: the robot vacuum itself, a charging dock with a power cord, user manuals and warranty card, a detachable mop pad, an extra cleaning brush and an additional mop cloth. The setup is quite simple. Place the charging dock in a corner of your house and place the robot on the dock to charge. Let's first see how it performs with the vacuum. You can set it up in the Mi Home app and connect it to your home Wi-Fi. The robot will then start to map your house through its various sensors and create a map of your room in the app. It has a wedge on its head which will bump into objects in order to detect walls and furniture to avoid them. I like the minimalistic design with everything fitted inside a slim cylinder. It can make its way under most furnitures. It has a suction power of 2200 Pascal, which is quite decent for a robot vacuum. It also has a side brush to sweep dust from corners. Sensors such as gyroscope and tilt sensor help it stay in line, and it also has anti-drop sensors to avoid falling off stairs or edges. It has 3 modes for only vacuum, vacuum and mop, and only mop, 4 levels of power for the vacuum and 3 levels for the mop. You can use it in turbo mode for full power, but it gets a bit noisy. It also has an edge cleaning mode which cleans the edges of your room. Fill the mop pad with water and attach it to the robot for mopping along with vacuum. You can also schedule it to run on a particular time of the day and then return to a clean house. The robot works well on almost all floor surfaces and also on doormats and carpets. I've been using this robot for about a month now and I'm pretty satisfied with what I've got. There are a few practical tips I'd like to share with you if you're considering buying this robot. Keep large items like wires and loose cloth off the floor to prevent them from getting tangled in the vacuum brush. Ensure adequate space between furniture so the robot can move freely. For areas with heavy dust, use the vacuum only mode before mopping to avoid overloading the mop pad. Empty the dust compartment regularly to maintain its efficiency. On a single charge, it can easily clean a 2 BHK apartment, which takes roughly 30 to 45 minutes, which is slower compared to a maid or doing it manually, but just like a 3D printer, you have to forget it after the press of a button.
My final verdict is, it is a clear bang for buck given it's almost half the price compared to its competitors and has similar if not more features. One major feature it's missing is a remote function which allows you to manually control it to clean a particular area or a room. Let me know if you need a long-term ownership review of this item and if there's any other item you'd like me to review. I'll soon be adding more tech gadgets to my studio to automate and improve its daily processes. Until then, goodbye and thanks for watching.